After over 30 years of wanting a giant shop, I finally got my giant shop built. Let's check it out as I go through the entire build, everything that happened along the way, and how long it took and how much it cost. Check out this 1,200 square foot shop. We decided we wanted to build the shop across the driveway from the house, so the first order of business was to have a bunch of big trees removed. This cost us $3,000 or $4,000 from the local tree service. After the trees were gone, I got some crazy quotes over $2,500 to remove the stumps still in the ground. But did you know if you have a credit card, they will rent and deliver a big excavator to you that you have no business using because you have zero training? But after an hour or so and a few YouTube videos, I got the hang of it and started getting the stumps removed. And I just put them all in a big 40-foot dumpster I had picked up the next day. The biggest stump was so massive, the excavator wasn't strong enough to lift it. I literally had to roll it across the driveway into the dumpster. But overall, I saved over $1,500 from the quote and spent the day playing in the dirt with a tractor like a little kid. Mission successful. After a few months of waiting because of the bad weather, the concrete guy finally started delivering dirt to level the area for the concrete pad. It ended up taking 18 truckloads of dirt to lift the area level with the driveway so I wouldn't have to worry about rain runoff coming off the driveway and flooding the shop. Finally, it was time to pour the concrete across the nearly 1,600 square foot area. They poured the slab in two different sections, one for the shop and then one slightly lower for the 12 by 30 lean-to. The slab is 4 inches thick with rebar around the edges and footers poured in the corners. An area in the middle of the shop was dug out to 6 inches deep where I will be installing my 2-post lift. They decided they would come back after the shop was built to connect the pad to the driveway. I was so excited to finally have the concrete done, so now it was time to call my building contractor and schedule the install. It took me forever to decide on a vendor for my metal building. Once I started looking online, I was getting served a million ads on social media for different building companies. I finally decided to use one based about an hour away called Samson Structures. Almost all the vendors in Georgia get their buildings from a source in North Carolina. So for me, it was about who would provide me the best customer service and a competitive price. Originally, the shop was going to be 40 foot wide by 30 feet deep, but my wife convinced me to add the 12-foot lean-to so she had a place to park her F-150. Overall, it took the team of 3 installers 2 full days to build the shop. A few days after they were done, the concrete guy came back to connect the pad to the driveway. Overall, I spent about $20,000 on the concrete due to all the fill dirt that had to be trucked into my remote area. The building cost about $16,000. Next, I need to start wiring the electrical so I can get my lift installed and start working on my cars. If you check out my other videos, you can see all the different vehicles I'm working on right now. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe for more content.